I am very grateful for your interest in MustangMedic. We now have over 7,600 videos, 9 years under our belts, and I am changing the format or the overall structure of how MustangMedic works. MustangMedic manages projects. The locations will not be known. The work will be done by numerous vendors, as we say, mechanics, and I will video the project as it's worked on. At the moment, there's a couple of projects in the works, and I have an opening for 6 project cars. If you want to be one of them, give me a call. Let's talk, and we can do it public with the videos. Some clients prefer to be private videos. They can be done also, of course. I like to do them public just because I like to show the work that's getting done, that's going to be managed. It helps me. It also helps you because I view a lot of our viewers as accountability partners. So if you want to get involved in MustangMedic, this is the time to do it in 2020. It's a whole new form of business, and it's an accountability like no other. Thank you for your interest in MustangMedic. And yeah, there's no humor in this video, just seriousness, because it's a whole new way of doing business, accountability, and making sure the job's done right. I appreciate you. Until next time.